Typically, salespeople sell only 30% of the time. Why? Their remaining time is spent explaining prices, discounts, and rates. If your sales process lasts weeks, you lose a key competitive advantage. Relying on manual tasks during the sales process not only causes delays in sending quotes and orders, it is also prone to errors, resulting in customer dissatisfaction and potentially a high level of churn. How to counter it? Automate and accelerate the entire quote-to-order process. With an Enxoo CPQ and an Enxoo documents, you can prepare even the most complex quote within minutes and create a final document in just a few seconds. It's easy, fast, and accurate. Creating complex quotes in minutes, closing deals faster, improved visibility on sales pipeline, time and cost savings, increased customer satisfaction. Read how the Enxoo CPQ has increased telecarriers' sales efficiency by 30% at enxoo.com.